The Supreme Court recently ruled that laws against child marriage cannot be undermined by personal laws or traditions. It emphasized that child marriage infringes upon minors' rights to choose their life partner as adults. A bench comprising Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice G.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra issued a new guidelines to combat child marriage, prompted by an NGO's petition highlighting non-compliance with the Child Marriage Prohibition Act, leading to increased cases. The court noted that parental engagement in arranging marriages for minors violates their free will and urged the central government to take proactive steps. Chief Justice Chandrachud stressed the importance of the prohibition and prevention over punishment, recommending counseling for underprivileged girls facing challenges like lack of education and poverty. Dera Sacha Sauda Chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim faced a setback from the Supreme Court, which ordered the continuation of proceedings in 3 trial court cases against him for allegedly disrespecting the holy book Shri Guru Granth Sahib. Earlier, the Punjab-Haryana High Court had stayed this trial in March, a decision that the Punjab government challenged in the Supreme Court. Today, a bench comprising Justice B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanathan heard the case, staying the High Court's order and issuing a notice to Ram Rahim requiring his response within 4 weeks. The Supreme Court concluded its hearing on petition advocating for the inclusion of marital rape as a crime. In the next hearing on October 22nd, a bench comprising Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice G.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra will determine if a detailed hearing is required and outline key legal questions. During the session, senior advocate Karuna Nandi argued for the abolition of the exception for marital rape in the IPC, claiming it violates Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution. The bench noted that Parliament previously believed that sexual relation with a wife over 18 could not be considered rape. Nandi contended that marriage is a personal matter, while senior advocate Colin Gonsalves highlighted that such exceptions are deemed unconstitutional in other countries. The central government warned that these provisions could be misused, complicating the determination of consent. The issues arose after a split decision from the Delhi High Court in May 2022, which deemed the exception in Section 375 of the IPC unconstitutional, leading to the current Supreme Court review. Former Wrestling Association President Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has filed a challenge in the Delhi High Court against the FIR registered over allegations of sexual exploitation of female wrestlers, along with the ongoing trial court proceedings. The Delhi High Court has issued a notice to the Delhi police regarding his petition, with the next hearing scheduled for December 16. In a previous hearing on September 26, the court had also issued a notice to the police and set another hearing for January 13, 2025. Singh's lawyer has requested an expedited hearing, asserting that the case is a part of a hidden agenda, while the High Court previously denied relief, stating that challenging the charge framing order aims to undermine the ongoing trial. The Karnataka government faced a setback when the Supreme Court declined to cancel the anticipatory bail granted to Bhavani Ravana, mother of JDS leader Prajwal Ravana, who is implicated in the Karnataka sex scandal. The court emphasized that since the main accused has already been arrested and a charge sheet has been filed, there is no necessity to revoke Bhavani Ravana's anticipatory bail. This decision comes after the Karnataka High Court previously granted her anticipatory bail, which the Karnataka government contested in the Supreme Court. Allahabad High Court has denied bail to Shah Rukh, accused of vandalizing a Lord Shiva idol and attacking a priest during the month of Sawan. Justice Ashutosh Srivastava stated that leniency towards such offenders could harm religious sentiments and disrupt social harmony. Shah Rukh claimed he is not the main perpetrator and asserts that he was not at home during the incident, as noted by his brother in a letter to the Superintendent of Police. However, the government lawyer argued that Shah Rukh was involved in the idol destruction, citing co-accused Arshad's statement and witness testimonies from priest Ramakrishna Sharma and his wife. The court deemed the crime an attempt to disturb communal peace and rejected the bail plea. The Supreme Court has granted significant relief to Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudeva's Isha Yoga Center by dismissing a habeas corpus petition filed by a father who claimed that his two daughters were being held against their will at the center in Coimbatore. The court found that both women confirmed they were residing at the ashram voluntarily. Since the women are adults, the court deemed the petition's purpose fulfilled and stated that no further action was necessary. Additionally, the Supreme Court objected to the Madras High Court's directive for a police investigation regarding other allegations against the Isha Yoga Center. Watch our special program and share the videos to stay updated with the daily court proceedings.